great cheap staple, how to cook the perfect rice.
Let's see if we can cook the perfect rice for my butter chicken. Video on that coming soon, so stay tuned.
Basmati rice, the king of all rices. Light, fluffy, delicious, and I'm going to show you how to cook it perfectly.
I visited Uncle Roger on his rice farm and have gotten myself some Himalayan basmati rice. But why the hell does Gordon always awkwardly dance around while cooking?
Start off with 400 grams of rice.
I start off with approximately 400 grams of rice.
Rice in, spot on.
Spot off.
So what I'm going to do now is just rinse off the dust and the starch. Cold water, always.
Rinsing off the dust and the starch. Cold water. Always.
Rice into the pan.
Rice into the pan.
Basically, 1 part rice to 1.5 part water. 600 mils, always start it off in cold water.
Why you measure water with cup? Just use finger. You put rice, put water until finger. First joint the finger.
We can clearly see the reason why Gordon does not even have 20 Michelin stars yet. What a shame. Always use finger and feeling.
Now, to make a plain, fluffy rice exciting, we're going to infuse it. 3 cardamom pods, and just get the pods and just pierce them.
Let's fuse the rice by piercing 4 cardamom pods.
And then star anise. Now these are beautiful. Whole star anise.
Beautiful, whole star anise.
Salt and pepper.
Just salt.
Onto the gas. Lid on. Bring it up to the boil as quick as possible and turn it down and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes.
I'll bring it to a boil, lid off, and once it starts to boil, I will lower the heat and put the lid on.
Lid off. Take the star anise out. The cardamom pods.
Cardamom pods out of the anus.
And there. That is perfectly cooked rice.
And that is probably perfectly cooked rice. Plain white rice is always one of the most satisfying things to cook in the kitchen. Easy to do, but really delicious. Now let's give it a taste and rate it 6 for 9. There's really not much to say. It's lightly salted, very fragrant rice, and just a perfect addition to Asian or Indian food. A solid 9 out of 9. That's about it. See ya!